Well, there's a lot of things with the wallet. The verification process, that is a separate process. Like you had said,
Okay.
Andy, that's with OnPassive. We're going to be using our own platform, our own application called OVERIFY.
Mm-hmm.
It's my understanding that that will also, I believe, again, my understanding, OVerify will be also a product that will be made available commercially, and for sale. So not only will we be using it within the platform, but it'll be external to us as well.
Mm-hmm.
When we look at that sort of thing, and then when you look at the wallet and you look at how the wallet is connected and digitally, like, hooked onto online platforms, that could be an interesting thing because we're always talking about API integration. Digital wallets are done that way as well, where they're integrated with those types of things, where they're integrated onto online platforms through APIs, which are application programming interfaces. And that's the process of connecting two or more systems, which they'll also connect OVerify. So again, you're getting into systems that work together, which is
Mm-hmm.
absolutely wonderful. We also know that we're working on our own payment gateway, and digital wallets actually partner with payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe or Square. So
Mm-hmm.
our digital wallet is going to be partnering with OnPassive's digital or gateway payments, right? And the gateway payment is it's a critical component of digital wallets that give us that seamless transaction by connecting the wallets and such to payment networks and stuff like that. So I mean, that's another thing. One thing that I is also you hear a lot about, I think, is what's called tokenization, and digital wallets use tokenization to replace sensitive payment information with unique tokens. We do that. We've got OCoin, right? That's our token, and this is making online transactions a lot more secure. Now, tokenization in context of digital wallets is the process of replacing that sensitive information like credit card numbers, bank details, those sorts of things with a unique token identifier. And that token is then stored in the digital wallet instead of the actual payment stuff. Another thing about this, which I fully expect to be implemented within OWallet, because Mr. Mufaris talked about this before, is biometrics and other forms of authentications. And this is going right in with your question when you're saying, what about verification, right? Some digital wallets use biometric authorizations or authentications like facial recognition, fingerprint recognition. And these things enhance, right? They beef up the security and they simplify the online transaction. In the context of digital wallets, this sort of authentication refers to the use of unique physical or behavioral characteristics to identify somebody's identity instead of traditional passwords like pins, for example, right? Instead, you might use voice recognition or iris scanning, even heart rate analysis. Some folks are using. So using that provides an additional layer, a rather good additional layer. And another thing that we hear about that we know we're going to be connected to is obviously cloud connectivity. Cloud-based digital wallets synchronize data across devices, and cloud connectivity in context with digital wallets refers to the ability of a digital wallet to store and access data like that payment information, transaction history, personal settings, all that stuff on the remote cloud servers. Obviously, OnPassive, again, there's the hero with our own data centers, our own cloud services. So, I mean, life is going to be good for us, and we can certainly bet that the OnPassive wallet is going to be a premier wallet, and it's going to be at the top of the heap, so to speak.